Bobby.
Well, you want to do it right here?
Yeah. Well, let me see the dogs again. I'm taking a video of this. Look at this.
Oh, I got the tire.
Tire biters.
Look at Maggie.
Maggie's too slow. She can't catch it.
Already? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
He had the tire in his mouth.
Yeah.
That Rex. Roxy doesn't even chase it, does she?
I think the battery. Hey, hey!
Oh, you're gonna.
You know what? Rex. He's got sharp teeth.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Like so.
What is that bird? That's little Maggie with a voice. Oh my God, I love her
They think
big
it's
voice.
alive.
Ooh, get it, get it, get it.
He's a tire biter.
Hi, Bob. Hi, Bob.
Oh,
Say
yeah,
hi. I'm
get the
going to
tire
send this
right.
video to Tasha. Say hi to everybody.
Very good.
Here's Grandpa Bob. Say hi.
Hi.
Say
Beds. There it is.
Okay.
Thanks for this. This is going to be a real help for me.
Yeah, and you can adjust the tension.
Yeah,
on
I
it,
saw
too.
that. Do not stand on pedals.
Okay.
I already tried that. I didn't even know it said you're not supposed to.
And there's the dogs playing with that remote control car. We have Roxy, Maggie, Rex, and here's Joy. And where's little Lucy? Someplace.
I'm gonna get you. Rex.
There's Bobby. Say hi to Tasha.
Hi, Tasha.
I'm gonna get you, Maggie.
Okay.